Hello friends and subscribers. First, I would like to thank our subscribers who have helped us grow as a dependable YouTube channel. We have developed multiple software that can help you recover faulty data files, migrate to new platforms, and convert file formats. If you're using an Apple computer, its operating system will be Mac OS, and Microsoft 365 offers Outlook for Mac in this environment. When you want to change your device to Windows, there is a traditional MS Outlook application. But Outlook for Mac and Windows Outlook support different data files. The first one uses OLM, and the second one uses PST. So, there is a requirement to change the format from OLM to PST. Therefore, Kernel OLM has designed a new software for the sole purpose of converting OLM to PST files. It will work in all modern Mac OS platforms, and creates a PST file that you can transfer to Windows and import into Outlook. You can download the software from its website. After installing the software, start it, and then click the Add icon. You can choose the OLM file from its folder. Click Open. After selecting the OLM file, click the Set Filter and Migrate option. The software starts to load the file's content. Now, you can apply various filters, like date, item type, exclude deleted folder, exclude an empty folder, etc. Then, click Start Migration, provide a name to the destination PST file, and choose a folder to save it. You can also apply a tag for easier identification. Click Save. The conversion process will complete in some time, and will show a successful message. Click OK. So, it is the simplest method to convert multiple OLM files to PST, without changing its structure, integrity, and folder hierarchy. After that, you can move it to a Windows computer, and import it into Outlook. It will show all its contents. Thanks for watching our video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, do it as soon as possible. It will help us to engage with more viewers. Also, like this video, share it, and comment on how you liked it. The complete information about the software is given on the website. Have a nice day.